Okay. Sean came for a consultation the other day and walked my husband and I through a checklist of items, and came today. He was done in less than 2 hours and changed belts, changed the drums, changed a couple other things, but our garage door is the quietest garage door I think I've ever heard. He was incredibly timely, and I'm really thankful that I got to have Sean today and that we got an awesome new garage system that we can open with our phones. What? It's freaking awesome. Thanks to RC for an awesome garage door.